friends our day 4 and day 5 videos in our 12 days of making series for help learning how to use our Cricut design space to make text and stickers. We will create our text and stickers for this project prior to the project beginning. We'll be using a bucket, and we will have our text snowball fight already cut and weeded, as well as some additional decal stickers in the shapes of snowflakes. We will start off by peeling away the transfer tape from its white backing and placing it on top of our snowball fight decal sticker. Press firmly on each of the letters to make sure it adheres very well to your transfer tape. Slowly peel the tape back, which should in turn peel the letters away from the blue backing. If some letters don't come up, just re-rub the section until it does. Now it's time to add our snowball fight decal onto our bucket. We'd like to start in the center and then kind of use our fingers to press down outwards to make sure that all the letters adhere evenly and correctly without any bubbles. Now slowly peel away the transfer tape. Now we're going to decorate the rest of the bucket using these beautiful snowflake stickers we cut on our Cricut Maker. These don't necessarily need a transfer tape to transfer them onto the bucket. You can easily just peel them directly off and then stick them wherever you like around your container. Now it's time to make our snowballs using yarn. You can come to our Forge Makerspace and use our Pom Pom Makers, which we have in 5 different sizes, or you can check one out if you're an ELA card holder from our library of things. We're going to show you in this video how to make your own pom-poms at home without using a Pom Pom Maker in case you don't have access to one. With one of your hands, start wrapping the yarn around it. The more you wrap around, the thicker the pom-pom will be. We encourage you to wrap quite a bit so your pom-poms are nice and fluffy. Once you're happy with the thickness, cut off any extra yarn and take it off your hand. Then squeeze it in the middle and tie it off. Using a pair of scissors, go along the edge and cut the loops in half. Now fluff it up a bit with your fingers. With a pair of scissors, trim around your pom-pom to give it a rounder shape. Do this process 3 more times, and now you have your snowball. Your snowball bucket is ready for some indoor snowball fights. Feel free to gift this to a friend, family member, or someone you would love to do this activity with.